In the snowy heart of Japan's Noto Peninsula, an ancient spirit comes to punish laziness. People call him Amamehagi, and his warning is as cold as winter itself. In Noto, amame is the fire rash that appears on legs when someone sits too long by the hearth. To the old villagers, it is more than a mark. It is a sign that the body has stayed idle while the season demanded work, endurance, and discipline. On New Year's and Little New Year's nights, Amamehagi arrives to challenge that weakness. He is a fearsome god in a mask, carrying a large knife and a bucket, shouting with a low, rough voice. He storms into homes, slams doors, and searches for children and adults who have grown too comfortable beside the fire. His appearance is unforgettable. Some masks are carved from wood, while others are made from pulp or thick paper, painted in vivid colors and strange expressions. Long noses, bulging eyes, and sharp features make him look like a being from another world. He wears straw rain capes and tabi-like leg coverings, turning each figure into a moving symbol of winter, labor, and warning. When Amamehagi enters a house, the scene is both frightening and strangely familiar. The ritual is not meant to harm, but to teach. It tells children that they must not become lazy. It reminds families that health, work, and self-control are necessary to survive the harsh season. For generations, this performance has helped hold the community together. It is a social ritual as much as a sacred one, reinforcing shared rules through fear, laughter, and memory. In 2018, Amamehagi was recognized by UNESCO with other visiting deity traditions as part of intangible cultural heritage. That recognition made the meaning of the ritual larger than one village or one island. It showed the world that these masked gods are not simple costumes. They are living expressions of regional identity, shaped by climate, hardship, and collective wisdom. Today, as Noto faces the difficulties left by disaster and rebuilding, Amamehagi carries another layer of meaning. He stands for resilience, for neighbors watching over one another, and for the determination to begin again. Amamehagi is a warning to the lazy, but he is also a guardian of spirit. In the deep winter of Noto, he reflects a belief shared across generations, that strength is built not in comfort, but in meeting hardship together.